Today, I'm in the exclusive Sandhill Park, nestled on the outskirts of the thriving village of Bishop's Lydeard, and have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this beautifully presented and generously proportioned 4-bedroom detached home, benefiting from garage, sizable driveway parking, and a desirable corner plot. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation your own property, then please do get in touch.